Hi, I'm Ho-chang Seok. It is my honor to present our work, Robot Feature Tracking in DVS Event Stream using Bezier mapping. In this work, we address the novel feature tracking method using only the event stream. We propose the event patch alignment method for short-term tracking and the temporal update method for the long-term tracking. For the short-term tracking, we parameterize the trajectory of events with a Bezier curve. Then we align the events to the patch to maximize the variance. By doing this, we can associate the events and estimate the trajectory of features simultaneously. We process the long-term tracking using the temporally updated template patch. In this step, we first align the current events to the template with variance maximization, similar to the previous step. After that, we update the template again and use it for the next time. In this experiment, we show that our method aligns the events better than the others, both quantitative and qualitative ways. For the template update experiment, the well-structured patches are constructed by using our method, while it is not consistent without using it. According to the quantitative results in the synthetic dataset, our methods outperforms that of JUICE in both error and tracking length. This is the quantitative result table in the real datasets, and our method shows similar or slightly better performance. This is the example of qualitative results, and the graph shows that the comparison of ours and JUICE method. We apply our methods to the camera pose estimation problem, and our method shows better performance in terms of accuracy and the number of inliers. Finally, you can see the comparison result in the video. Thank you for hearing my presentation.